Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Outlook emails using Microsoft 365 Export detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Outlook application. Log in with your Microsoft 365 account if you haven't already. Click on the File tab located in the upper left corner. In the menu, look for the Open and Export option. Select Import Export from the list that appears. In the Import and Export wizard, choose Export to a file and click Next. Select Outlook Data File. Ensure that you check the box for Include subfolders if needed. Click Next to proceed to the next step. In the next window, you'll see a field to choose the location for your backup file. Click Browse to select the desired folder on your computer. Enter a name for your backup file, making it easily identifiable. Click Finish to complete the export. You can set a password for the PST file if you want additional security. Once you've completed these steps, the export process will begin. Depending on the size of your inbox, this may take some time. Once the export is finished, a confirmation message will appear. Your Outlook emails are now backed up and saved as a PST file. You can now close your Outlook application if you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.